Okay, so I have a surprise for you. We're going to be there in just a minute and you'll see. Okay, is this giving it away just a little bit? All right. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we are at Ikea. We're gonna visit Ikea in Bangkok today, and I'm so excited. Oh my God, I have to refrain. I have to refrain. My husband doesn't want to get me a buggy because he thinks that I'm going to put too much stuff in it. I'm quite sure that's why. So Ikea is set up to where you follow these arrows on the floor. It looks exactly like the Ikea in the States, which is a problem because I'm going to want to pick up stuff. He's been deprived. He's never been into an Ikea.
Nope.
So we came here today. I'm looking for a set for my patio so I can sit outside and enjoy some of the fresh air. So that is what we are in Ikea looking for today. Anything else? Extra. Okay, so we are on a hunt to find the chairs because I don't want to pick out a table and then the chairs don't match at all. So we're going to look for chairs first. We've already got in mind what kind of table we want. Well, I say we, but it's really me because my husband could care less about that. All right, we're still on the hunt. Smelling these candles here, they don't really have a strong enough smell for me to buy them. Okay, so we sort of found something for our entryway to add more storage, but not quite completely sold on it, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm looking for just some cheap little plates and a couple of bowls that I don't have to keep buying throwaways, because that's a waste of money and not very environmentally friendly, as my daughter would say. appears that Ikea is just as popular here in Thailand as it is in the States. Well, that's just beautiful. It's kind of making me miss my house back in the States, but not really. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll buy another one, but not right now. Baby, you think we'll buy another big house like that, like we had in the States? No need, but I love decorating, so that's probably, I love to decorate. So this is, oh God, this is really a struggle for me. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to decorate when it feels like summertime. The one thing that we have not found or seen in any store we've been in are knives, like butter knives. You can find chef knives, but I've got plenty of chef knives. Can't find one single butter knife. You see what I'm saying? You got all of these forks and spoons and not one single butter knife. See, this is a nice part where you can go and pretty much find a little area and chill. Like if you get tired, look, they're throwing the baby on the bed. That's funny. This is probably one of the coolest rooms setups I've seen. Something about it, I just like it. Not for me, but for, a teenager or something, young adult.